Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Sturf. Today is a very special episode, and I never thought I'd see this day come. But I have here soybeans, and I'm about to eat some. Not just any sort of soybean. These are natto, the original Japanese fermented soybean. Now, why am I eating this? Well, it has nattokinase in there. Nattokinase is a fibrinolytic, and we're using it to treat our Spikelopathy patients. It also is a good source of vitamin K2, which prevents calcium deposits in the arteries and is cardioprotective. This nattokinase, to be honest, it doesn't taste very good. Worse than anything I've ever tasted, actually. And it looks kind of weird. It actually looks like spider webs. I don't know if you can see it here, but it has these sort of tentacles, and they're anti-gravity. You can like put them in the air and they'll float there. So what I've been doing, and this is for my Spikelopathy patients, is why I'm doing this, is we want to get some sort of fibrinolytic into their supplement routine. And I know they're taking a lot of supplements. I found these beans here. It's not so much of a supplement, more of a, I guess, a nutrient. And I put honey on there because it tastes a bit more palatable that way. Like, honestly, it's not that bad. There's a lot of probiotics in here as well, so you're getting a lot of good fermentable probiotics, along with nattokinase, K2, which is a decent supplement, specifically for our patients with elevated cardiovascular risk factors. Natto.